measurement, right? So now, these are, what do we want to cut? We want to cut wood. This is wood. MDF, they call it MDF wall. And what you use to cut MDF wall is a sewing machine. Plug the machine. Yeah. So now it's plugged already, good. So that's where you said, Madam told us in the class, Madam said, that carpenter cut his hand. You must be very, very careful, safety precaution using this. We use it now. For example, now what I just want us to do is now, Sanusi, we are trying to form, this is a stool. Okay, in a stool, don't mind my sketching. So you see this, Sanusi is going to cut this for us. In this stool, we have 3 components. 1, 2, 3. So I want us to quickly exercise this with this. This now is, let's assume in measurement, what we can get here is, we can get 40, let me
doing all of that, and by the time, and then the
exactly a whole lot of energy.
Exactly, and the tools have been as straight and properly,
so that's the saw for you. The saw, we have the saw. But now we have gotten our tabletop. Now we want to get our 40 by 40. Once we just cut, then I will just see what we lose again.